students. Today we will start the revision of first chapter, sources of food. Sources of food. First we will take multiple choice questions. Plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. All of these. Plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. All of this. Second, food gives us energy, helps in growth, repairs body part. We should mark all of this. Mark all of this. Third one, dash is not a milk product. Bread is not a milk product. Bread is not a milk product. Next, roti, rice, sambar. Roti, rice, sambar. Vegetables are examples of food. Roti, rice, sambar, vegetables are examples of food. Roti, rice, sambar, vegetables are examples of food. Next, two underground stems utilized as food are potato and onion. Two underground stems utilized as food are potato and onion. What are heterotrophs? Answer is animals are heterotrophs. You should mark animals. Animals are heterotrophs because they depend upon others for food. Because they depend upon others for food. Depend upon others for food. Animals provide us with milk, meat and eggs. All of these, all of the above. Animals provide us with meat, eggs, milk, all of the above. Animals provide us with meat, milk, eggs, all of the above. Next, non-vegetarians eat all of this: meat, chicken, fish. Non-vegetarians eat meat, chicken, fish, all of this. Non-vegetarians eat meat, chicken and fish, all of this. Next, to fill up the blanks. The main source of food are plants and animals. The main source of food are plants and animals. The main source of food are plants and animals. The main source of food are plants and animals. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals which eat only plant are called herbivores. Animals which only plant are called herbivores. Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. Animals which only meat are called carnivores. Animals which eat both plants as well as animals are called omnivores. Animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivores. Lion is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Lion is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Lion is a carnivore because it eats only meat. A cow eats only plant products, so it is called herbivore. A cow eats only plant products, so it is called as a herbivore. Milk is an animal product. Milk is an animal product. Milk is an animal product. Food gives us energy to do work. Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy to do work. Food gives us energy to do work. Dash is the process in which green plants prepare their own food. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food. make their food. A cow. Farmer gives grass to cattle as feed. Farmer gives grass to cattle as feed. Tomato is a fruit of a plant used as vegetable. Tomato is a fruit of a plant used as vegetable. Tomato is a fruit of a plant used as vegetable. Rearing of honeybees is called apiculture. Rearing of honeybees is called apiculture. So fill up the blanks ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಣ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. All green plants make their food in leaves. True. All green plants make their food in leaves. True. Plants are also called consumers. False. Plants are also called consumers. False. Potato and onion are modified stems which grow below the ground. True. ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇದು ಟ್ರೂ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ನೇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸು, ಥರ್ಡ್ನೇದು ಟ್ರೂ. ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇದು ಟ್ರೂ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ನೇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸು, ಥರ್ಡ್ನೇದು ಟ್ರೂ. ಈಗ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹನಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಸಾರಿ, ನೋ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಹನಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೋ. ಬೈ ಹನಿ ಬಿ. ನೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನೋ. ಆರ್ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚಸ್ ಆಮ್ನಿವರಸ್. ರೈಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. as cockroaches omnivorous? Yes. Are cockroaches omnivorous? Yes. Are bees, cow, deer carnivores? No. Are bees, cow, deer carnivores? Bees, cow, deer carnivores? No. They are herbivorous. So honey produced by plants, so adu no. Or cockroaches omnivores, so adu yes. So are bees, cow, deer carnivores? No. Right or wrong ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Fish is used as food. Right. Plants are also called autotrophs. Right. Honey has a good medicinal value. Right. Analogy type. Vegetarian milk and milk plant products. Non-vegetarian egg and animal products. Vegetarian milk and plant products. Non-vegetarian egg and animal products. Milk animal, mango tree. Milk animal, mango tree. Cabbage leaf, ginger stem. 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 Next, question and answer. Why do we need food? We need food for growth and repair of tissues. Name a few sources of food. There are many sources of food: plants, seeds, flowers, fruits, animals, egg, meat, milk are some of the sources of food. What are autotrophs? Autotrophs are organisms which can prepare their own food. Or organisms which can prepare their own food. What are heterotrophs? Heterotrophs are organisms which depend upon others for food. Which insects collects honey for us? Honeybee collects honey for us. What are the ingredients of the following food? Cooked rice, rice, salt, water. Chapati, gram flour, rice. Sorry, gram flour, salt. Cooked rice, gram flour, maida, and salt. Two examples of leaves which they are cooked rice. Cabbage and spinach are the two leaves which are cooked by human beings. Cabbage and spinach. Two animals which will give us milk. Cow and buffalo are the two animals which give us milk. Cow and buffalo are two animals which give us milk. Name a few milk products used at our home. The milk products used at our home are ghee, butter, cheese, or some of the milk products used at our home. Ghee, butter, or some of the milk products used at our home. Which animal products are used at our home? In our home we use eggs, meat, milk. Some of the animal products which we use at our home. At home we use ghee, milk, meat, eggs, or some of the animal products which we use at home. What are the main functions of food? The main functions of food is it gives us energy, it repairs the tissues, it helps in growth. The main functions of food are it helps in growth, it repairs the tissues, it gives us energy. What is a food chain? What is a food chain is an important question. Food chain is a link form. Food chain is a link which tells us which animal depends on which for food. Food chain is a link which explains which animal depends upon which animal for food. For example, plant is eaten by goat, goat is eaten by lion, goat is eaten by. Give two examples for herbivores. Carnivores, lion and tiger are carnivores. Omnivores, cockroach and human beings are omnivores. State the part of the plant in the following. Rice. Rice is seed of the plant. Apple is the fruit of the plant. Sugarcane is the stem of the plant. Cabbage is the flower of the plant. Herbivorous, difference between herbivorous and carnivorous. Herbivorous eat plant products and carnivorous eat meat products or other animals. Difference between autotroph and heterotroph. Autotrophs can prepare their own food. Heterotroph depend upon other animals for food. What are edible and non-edible parts of a plant? The parts of a plant which can be eaten is called edible part. The part of the plant which cannot be eaten is called non-edible part. What is the difference between vegetarian and non-vegetarian person? A vegetarian person normally eats plant products and non-vegetarian person eats plants as well as animal products, especially meat. A non-vegetarian person eats animal products like egg, meat, etc. When vegetarian person only eats plant products. Thank you. The first chapter is completed, students. We'll go for the chapter number 2, food and its components. Food and its components. Food and its components. First, we'll go for multiple choice questions. Vitamins are essential for our body to protect from diseases. Vitamins are essential for our body to protect from diseases. Which one of the following constitutes balanced diet? Roti, rice, dal, vegetables and pickle. Roti, rice, dal, vegetables and pickle constitute a balanced diet. A person needs maximum amount of calories from age 8 to 12 years. A person needs maximum amount of calories in the age group 8 to 12 years. The essential food component that can be obtained only from plants is roughage. The essential food component that can only obtained from plant is roughage. Butter and ghee are sources of fats. Goitre occurs due to deficiency of iodine. Our hair and nails contain protein. Persons in different jobs having different lifestyles require different food. Next we'll go for fill up the blanks. Fats contain more oxygen compared to carbohydrates. Fats contain more oxygen compared to carbohydrates. Anemia is caused by deficiency of iron. Deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease called rickets. Deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease called as rickets. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Our food contains several components known as nutrients. Carbohydrates and fats provide us with energy. State true or false. Apple contains iron. True. Iodine causes goiter. True. Is butter an energy giving food? Yes. Do antibodies carry oxygen from one part of the body to another? No. Loss of water leads to dehydration. Right. Vitamin A makes bone and teeth strong. Wrong. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಶುಗರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆನೆಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಶುಗರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆನೆಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್, ಬಟರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್. Beriberi vitamin B, scurvy vitamin C. Question and answers. Why a variety of food required for the proper growth of our body? Different food have different nutrients. That's why a variety of food is required for proper growth of body. A single food does not contain all kind of nutrients. Different food contain different nutrients. Which nutrient is present in the food is a bodybuilding substance? Protein is a bodybuilding substance. Proteins, milk and eggs have protein. Starch, maida and gram flour. Dietary fibers, fruits and vegetables have dietary fibers. Fats, cheese and butter. Dehydration. What is dehydration? Loss of water from the body is called dehydration. How it can be overcome? It can be overcome by drinking lot of water. Two sources of fibers in our diet are beans, radish or some of the plant products which have fibers. What is meant by malnutrition? What is meant by malnutrition? If a food does not contain proper nutrients, then the process is called as malnutrition. If the food does not contain, if intake of food which does not contain proper nutrients. Why should we include vitamins in our food? Because it helps us to fight against diseases. Which nutrients can be obtained from pulses and eggs. From the pulses and eggs, we can obtain mainly proteins. From the pulses and eggs, we mainly obtain proteins. From pulses and eggs, we mainly obtain protein, calcium mineral, and some vitamins also. Some vitamin B1 is provided by egg. It's provided by egg. So we get all kinds of nutrients. What are deficiency diseases? Lack of nutrients can cause abnormalities and disease. These are called deficiencies. Lack of nutrients can cause abnormalities and disease. These are called as deficiency diseases. Write any two deficiency diseases. The two deficiency diseases are night blindness and scurvy. Night blindness and scurvy. Deficient diseases are night blindness and scurvy. Next, short answer. Why is food important for our body? Food is important for our body for energy, growth of the body, and to repair the tissues. Which are the 5 major nutrients in our food? The 5 major nutrients in food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Test to detect the presence of carbohydrates in food. The starch can be detected by using iodine solution, which will turn blue-black if there is starch, and the sugar can be tested using Benedict's solution. Why are proteins important to us? Proteins help in growth and maintenance of our body. They are responsible for body building. They help in tissue building, growth of cells and tissues. That's why proteins are important to us. What is the importance of minerals in our body? Minerals like phosphorus help in building strong bones and teeth. Calcium also helps in strong bones and teeth, helps in clotting of blood. Iron is helpful for blood. Iodine prevents goiter. Friends, why we should include roughage in our diet? Why we should include roughage in our diet? Undigested fibrous material is called roughage. Roughage helps in proper functioning of digestive system. It does not provide any nutrient to our body, but it helps in smooth movement of waste, keeps the digestive system normal, and prevents constipation. Roughage helps in proper functioning of digestive system. It is not digested by our body, but helps in smooth movement of waste, keeps digestive system normal, and prevents constipation. Thank you, students.